Do you have a broken iPhone screen? If you want to repair it quickly, then you need to hire experienced technicians available near you. iTech, Xpress and Covina is there to help you in this regard. It is a certified and authorized Apple iPhone repair service store in Covina. They are famous for providing factory-grade iPhone repair or screen replacement solutions at affordable prices. Their trained and knowledgeable technicians always try to return back the iPhone in proper working condition within the same day. After thorough device diagnosis, they offer free estimation of cracked screen replacement costs. They have a great stock of spare parts and always use genuine spares for damaged parts replacement. So, without wasting your time, immediately book an appointment there by dialing 626774747. Do you want to know more about their iPhone repairs? Browse through https://itechexpressing.com/